All right, here we go. It has snowed. And we got Mr. Waffles out in the snow. Right, Mr. Waffles? Looks pretty deep here. Looks between 6 inches, if not more. All right, I'm gonna get a ladder and I'm gonna show you how those plates worked up here. All right, looks like they melted around the plates. That's for sure. I'll get a closer look once you get the ladder out. Alright, we can get on the ladder. If you notice, everything's starting to melt. But it's not melting outside here. There's a heavy rain snowstorm here last night. So I can climb up here for you guys. These are the panels. That's what it looks like. It's doing its job. Remember, this was the gap that I left in between the panels. And the panel edges are right here. So maybe it's about 2 inches off. Alright, so 2 inches off. This stove is starting to come up here. This is starting to melt, as you could tell. Okay. It's doing its job. Much better than the wired version. Okay, the wired version used to be just the little single wire going up and down like that. Alright. There it is right there. All the heavy trees are leaning on it. But you can tell it's melting. So it's working. See it? If it wasn't for the panels, it wouldn't be melting at all. But it's just sitting here just like the trees. Just like that. Frozen. Alright, so gonna let it run. It's now around 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So I had it on for, I think I turned it on at midnight. So plugged it in at midnight. It's running for about 10 hours. It's pretty good. Look at that. You can see it's melting. All right, in this freezing weather. All right. Those are the panels for you boys and girls. And as you can tell, the icicles, they're all dripping. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. H&G Lifestyles. Get the panels. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Here it is 12 hours later. You see the icicles are still melting. And the rest of the snow around is still solid. So the panels work. You can see them. It's all dripping. Slowly but surely. But everything else is frozen in the yard. Thanks for watching.